Tattoo artist charged with buggery of 11-year-old girl. Woman dead after accidental discharge of cop's gun in Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 34-year-old tattoo artist Stephen Samuel, otherwise known as Cartel, of Rodney Road, Maxwell Avenue, Kingston 13, has been charged with buggery and grievous sexual assault following an incident in St. James on January 5. The St. James Criminal Investigations Branch stated that about 5 a.m. that day, an 11-year-old girl was asleep when she was awoken by the accused man fondling her. He reportedly then got on top of her and forcibly began having anal sex with her. The child was reportedly able to get away from the culprit and made a report to her mother, who then reported the matter to the police. Samuel was arrested on January 7 following an investigation by the police. A woman died in Clarendon on Sunday evening due to an alleged accidental discharge from the firearm of her boyfriend. It is understood that the couple were getting dressed at a hotel when the policeman's gun allegedly accidentally went off, hitting the woman. The police have launched a probe into the incident. More details to come following further investigations.